Away from the rally, Information, Communications and the Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo is asking residents of Nyanza region to create a conducive environment for the government to deliver on its mandate in the area. Owalo called for a paradigm shift from the rhetoric politics to a tangible transformation and development-oriented agenda that will see the region realize fast development. He was speaking at his Asembo home in Rarieda, Siaya County today when he met religious leaders from Nyanza. The cabinet secretary said that development can only thrive in an atmosphere of peace, but not an atmosphere of perpetual noise and destruction.
We are requesting the people of this region to create an enabling environment for the government to deliver on its mandate. Development can only thrive in an atmosphere of peace, not an atmosphere of perpetual noise, distraction. We want to change the paradigm in this region from politics of rhetoric to a tangible transformation, development-oriented agenda. We have done politics for 58 years, year in, year out. It cannot be the same. We cannot continue with business as usual. Deliberately and consciously, we must change the politics of this region. Let us move away from perpetual politics to a pursuit of a development agenda.
To religious matters, Muslim clerics are opposed to plans by the government to regulate